Hello viewers, if you want to make money from your mobile at home, then you must watch this video of men from end to end. Many from can be added, so I will tell you about this site in front of you today. If you are new to my channel Technical Rabia, then like my channel, subscribe, and the same time click on the bell icon button to come into the future. If you can get the video, start the video. This is the name of the website. Global token, return gaming token. Welcome to the view filter. Are you ready to explain the galaxy with us? A community driver delegation token with reflection back to holders. Liquidity is looked and a 2% from every transaction. Build the LP pool every more. You can read below yourself. Then there is the white paper below. You can find out about it clicking on it. Blue are the tokenomics that about in which with video you can also watch it where holders earn Glugger token just by holding GLG. Initial token supply. You can check how much 25% burn TX hash on BSC scan. You can check how much 10% for airdrop with deletion to be amount soon. 10% essence holder unlocks is tank. 5% marketing and develop per world on looking supply at launch prices and development soft cop 14 BNB hard cap 18 BNB 25% looked LP minimum word per sale 20% 12 BNB for 25 T PancakeSwap 25% to be add to PancakeSwap on complaint of stocks on marketing not looked as yet for DV transaction 95 LP 2% of each transaction in amount added to the liquidity pool. 1% of each transaction will be amount give to the token holders. 2% token sent to the market and development wallet. Received address to burn 1% transaction fee only after enter launch. इसके बाद easy to buy on PancakeSwap. 1 credit a wallet on Google Chrome. Visit marketing.io to download agent and set up a wallet. Airdrop and iOS use can develop the Trust Wallet app on the phone. Send BNB to your BSC wallet by BNB from Binance Exchange and transfer to your BSC wallet address. Swap BNB for GLG. Go to the address tab of the button. Find PancakeSwap B to click. Select a currencies. Enter the contact address is the search bar and you should be allowed to funds GLG. Then his contact address is given and then his pancake is given, which I will tell you later how to buy. Plague Loga now. Plague Loga donate to the marketing funds as a community driven project. Gloga token GLG run thanks to its amazing wallet and context dog. If you would like to pitch in use the official BSC download wallet here. IUP players. They are also member of this team. How work together is promotion is website. Dev TA and Chinese. How I will show you have to buy. How to buy. Click on the PancakeSwap option. I will open in front of you. All you have to is contract. Then will to be a trust wallet. Show in the front of you. I have told you full dealing about this. Full details about this site. So you have to check from here. Okay, bye.